freaking out over all these disturbances in the economy, and you go to some kind of desperate move to get rich quick in some unproven process, that's just not wise. And so I can tell you what I'm personally doing. I'm personally continuing to do what I've done for 30 years. I buy mutual funds and long track record mutual funds in my 401k and outside the 401k, and I buy real estate that I pay cash for. It's very simple, very boring, nothing sexy about it. I don't get to tell my golfing buddies some story that made me look brilliant, but, it's resulted in several hundred millions of dollars of net worth, so it's working out okay. It's the baby steps that we have taught for almost 30 years. But what we found out was that now that we've been doing this so long, there's tens of thousands of millionaires that are millionaires because they worked this plan that we taught them 10 years ago.